The signs we are about to discuss are becoming more visible day by day, and honestly, it's terrifying. Sign number 11. Angry and disrespectful children. Children today are becoming more aggressive, rude, and disobedient. Peace inside families is slowly disappearing. Sign number 12. Fake friendships and secret hatred. Jealousy, manipulation, and hidden betrayal are everywhere now. People smile in public but secretly hate each other. Sign number 13. Dangerous and destructive rain. Extreme weather, acid rain, and deadly climate disasters are increasing around the world. Even rain is becoming harmful in many places. Sign number 14. Sudden deaths everywhere. Healthy people are suddenly dying without warning. Every day, unexpected deaths are becoming more common. Sign number 15. Shirk spreading in the Ummah. Many people now depend on graves, taweez, and superstitions instead of trusting Allah completely. The message of Tawheed is slowly being ignored. Sign number 16. Loud voices inside mosques. Mosques were built for worship and peace. But today, shouting, arguments, and worldly talk are becoming common inside them. Sign number 17. Things falling from the sky. Meteor showers and strange objects falling from the sky are increasing. These events remind us that this world can change at any moment. Sign number 18. Bad people becoming leaders. In many places, corrupt and unjust people rise to power. Truth becomes weaker while corruption spreads openly. Sign number 19. Homosexuality becoming common. Homosexuality is now openly promoted and normalized across the world. What Islam clearly forbade is now celebrated by the society. Sign number 20. Following Quran but rejecting Hadith. Some people say they follow the Quran but reject Hadith and Sunnah. But without the teachings of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, Islam cannot be fully understood. Sign number 21. Divorce becomes more common. Marriage today is breaking apart faster than ever before. Small problems now destroy relationships that once lasted a lifetime. Sign number 22. Using religion to gain worldly benefits. Some people now use Islam, religious knowledge, or even the hereafter only to gain money, fame, or attention. Deen is slowly being treated as a business instead of sincere path to Allah. These signs are not just warnings about the future. Many of them are already happening around us today.